morning routine as a millennial. Not gonna lie, first thing I do is check my phone, but it is to look at my emails. And yes, my coffee machine is just steps from my bed, and it's amazing. It's changed my life. I have an espresso, and I make 2 espressos every morning. First thing I do is hop on my computer and watch YouTube videos, of course. I see what my friends are up to. But I don't let myself do that for too long. Time to get ready for the day. I probably have some sort of Amazon Prime purchase that I ordered the day before, some impulse buy that I totally didn't need. And today, oh, it's a cat backpack. Alright, enough fooling around. Time to work out. I've been getting way more into fitness now that it's getting nicer out. I love this bralette. It's so comfortable and the company is really cool. I'll have everything linked below. This is my Fitbit. It genuinely keeps me motivated to work harder when I'm working out. And then these are some Lululemon pants. They're great for running. They're fleece lined, so they're warm. And there's a zipper pocket for anything you might need to take with. So today I'm gonna go for a run. I also have a workout class scheduled for later, but it's so nice out, I definitely need to take the opportunity to go run to my favorite park in Seattle. So here's me fake running. I know I'm not very good. My arms are flopping around. I'm sorry, I did a bad job of that. But nothing like a beautiful day in sunny Seattle. Seriously, it is gorgeous. Of course, I have to take a photo, prove to everyone that I'm here, and then I usually take some sort of rideshare app back to my house. I'm not running back, are you kidding me? Time for breakfast. You already know I'm making avocado toast for breakfast. Seriously, I make this every day. I toast Ezekiel bread, some avocado, 2 fried eggs on top, and some of the everything seasoning from Trader Joe's. And then, of course, I have to clean up my mess because I live with 4 other roommates. And as I'm brushing my teeth, I'll order something I actually need, an electric toothbrush. Time for a quick shower, and now finally, let's get ready for the day. So this is my new Millennial Life Crisis merch. I love it so much. Link below to buy. It is available for the next 2 weeks. I have t-shirts, crew necks, sweatshirts. I freaking love this shirt. It is so cute. It's super soft. It pairs really great with these pants or just with jeans. I get a lot of comments when I wear it, so be prepared to explain to people what your Millennial Life Crisis is. But yeah, I love it, so check it out. On to my makeup routine. These are the products that I love to use lately. Okay, so a little dry shampoo because I didn't wash my hair, obviously. By the way, that cat scratch is not from putting him in the cat backpack, I promise you. Pulling him away from my bed, he was trying to scratch up my bed. I was not about to let that happen. So throwing a bunch of moisturizer on. I don't really like this concealer, but whatever. I love this foundation, the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation. Super high coverage, it's great. Also obsessed with Glossier's Boy Brow. Really tames my brows, makes them look full but also natural. Love it so much. Like I said, everything linked below. I love to do my makeup really glowy, a lot of highlighter wherever you'd highlight your face, and some setting spray. Please don't get into my forehead wrinkles. And that's it for getting ready. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out my merch, possibly buy something if you like it. Subscribe to my channel, and I love you all. See you next time.